Helo a croeso, and welcome to the first New Sinfonia Putty Salon session. My name is Robert Guy, and I am Joint Artistic Director of New Sinfonia with my brother John. At present, we cannot perform live for you, but we can bring our own music making into your own homes for you to listen and enjoy at your own pleasure. Our Putty Salon session today features 4 of our musicians, and we start with one of our violinists, Ruta, who will introduce her piece. Thanks for listening. Diolch am wrando.
Hello, I'm Ruta and I'm a violinist with the New Sinfonia. Hello from my home. It's yet another sunny day during quarantine and I would love to share with you Marietta's Lied from the opera Die Tote Stad by Erich Wolfgang Korngold.
Well, thank you, Ruta. That was a beautiful performance coming from Manchester. Next, we head to Trythyn in North Wales as we join our harpist Bethan, who was going to play for us next.
Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in today. The piece that you're now going to hear is called The Lark. It's a Russian folk song written by Glinka in 1840, along with 11 other songs which created the work Farewell to St. Petersburg. Another Russian composer, Balakirev, was often inspired by Glinka and decided to take this melody and paraphrase it to create a version for solo piano. This has become one of the most famous transcriptions that he has done out of Glinka's works. This has then been transcribed for harp by Russian composer and harpist Ksenia Erdely. Diolch yn fawr iawn am wrando heddiw. Dyma'r Lark gan Glinka wedi cael ei transgrifio i'r delyn gan Ksenia Erdely. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi.
Wow, thank you Bethan. Diolch yn fawr iawn. If you like what you hear, you can support us by donating via our website by clicking on the link in the description below. No contribution is too small, and we will use your donation to support the musicians featured, as well as supporting New Sinfonia through these challenging times. Diolch yn fawr iawn am eich cefnogaeth a mwynhewch y gerddoriaeth. Finally, we head to John and Catherine in sunny Stockport.
Hello, I'm Catherine, and I play violin with New Sinfonia. Today I'm going to play Shostakovich's Romance from the Gadfly with my husband John. John usually composes and plays clarinet with New Sinfonia, but today he's making his piano debut. Shostakovich was the John Williams of his day, and this romance is taken from his score to the 1955 film The Gadfly.
Thank you, John and Catherine. If you like what you hear, please share with your friends and family, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram using the handle New Sinfonia to keep up to date with our latest releases. Thanks for listening. Diolch am wrando.